Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 14.3 of factorization. Question number 5. Factorize the expression and divide them as directed. First part of this question 5 is given here. 5 pq p square minus q square divided by 2p p plus q. Okay. So first we factorize these terms. After this we divide it. Okay. So student, let's see how to factorize and after this divide it. Before it, student, you know this is the identity of third identity of difference of 2 square, p square minus q square. It's become p plus q and p minus q. Student, want to solution here, so you can write here 5 pq and it is the difference of 2 square, so it's become p plus q into p minus q, and you can write it like this 2 p plus q. Okay, so p plus q कैंसिल. ओके, p से कैंसिल हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, और आपके स्टूडेंट जो मिलेगा ये आपका सोल्यूशन होगा कौन सा 5/2 q p minus q. This is your solution. So I hope all of you understood. Let's see next part of this question. Student, here given 6 part of question number 5. So first we write 12xy 9x square minus 16y square. You can write it like this, divide by 4xy 3x plus 4y. Okay, so here you can cancel it 3 times. Okay, so we obtain here 9x square minus 16x y square divided by 3 into 3. Here you can write here. Okay, 3x plus 4y. So student, we can take here 9x square minus 16y square. So you can write 9x square means whole square of 3x, and 16y square means 4y of 16. Clear? So you can see here what is this. This is a third identity, a square minus b square का जो फॉर्मूला होता है क्या होता है, a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. क्लियर? ये होता है. तो हम इसका इसमें करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे 3x प्लस 4y इंटू 3x minus 4y. Okay, so students, you can see here so we put this value here and we obtained. Now we write here 9x square minus 16y square by 3x plus 4y into 3 also here is equal to, you can write it 3 into 3x plus 4y. We place the value 9x square minus 16y square is 3x plus 4y and 3x minus 4y. Okay, 3x minus 4y. So we obtained here 3x plus 4y. Clear? So 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y is cancelled. So we obtained here 3 into 3x minus 4y. Student, this is clear? So our question is 12xy into 9x square minus 16y square divided by 4xy into 3x plus 4y is equal to 3 into 3x minus 4y. This is our solution. Student, you can see here this is given. So first we cancelled 12xy by 3xy. This is cancelled. 4x into xy cancelled. 4 3 are 12, so 3 times, and after this we can write like this. Okay, and now we first factorize this. This we divide. First we factorize 9x square minus 16y square. After this we divide it. So first we write here 9x square minus 16y square. So you can write 3x square, and 9x square means 3x whole square, and 16y square means 4y whole square. Okay, so we know the difference of two squares is a sum of their and into subtraction difference of their. So a square means a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here you can see this is a, this is b, a square b square. So in this way we obtained here 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y. So this is a factorization of 9x square minus 16. Okay, so you can write in the place of 9x square minus 16y square is 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y. So we can see here 3x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y are cancelled. So we obtained 3 into 3x minus 4y. So here this is our question, 12xy into 9x square minus 16y square divided by 4xy into 3x plus 4y. This becomes, answer is 3 into 3x minus 4y. So student, I hope all of understood. Let's see the next part of this question. Student, first we recognize which identity is used in the given expression. If the expression is given like the difference of 2 square, then we use the identity a square minus b square. This is equal to a plus b and a minus into a minus b. Here you can see these expressions, 9y square, 9x square minus 16y square. So first we convert it in the form of the difference of 2 squares, because here minus, this is square, so we convert this differences of 2 square. Okay, so we obtained here square of 3x minus square of 4y. Okay, so we compare this identity. This is third identity of algebraic expression and identities chapters. So we obtain a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So for this expression we obtain 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y. So in this way we cancel this and we obtain the solution of given question is 3 into 3x minus 4y. Let's see next part of this question. This is the next part of question number 5, 39y cube. So first we can write it like this, 39y cube into 50y square minus 98. Okay, we write this vertical forms, 26y square into 5y, this is 50, 5y plus 7. Okay, so you could cancel it here. First we factorize these terms, 50. Here first we factorize 50y square. Why you forget this? Minus 98. Okay, so we take common 2 from both sides. We can write here 2 into 25 y square minus 2 into 47, 49. Okay, so take common 2, so 2 into 25 y square minus 49. Okay, so this is equal to 2 into, you can write it 5y whole square minus whole square of 7. Okay, clear? So what you can see here, you can write 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49. Okay, so what is you can see here, what इसको देखकर आप कौन सा आइडेंटिटी रिमेंबर हो रहा है, जिस आइडेंटिटी ए स्क्वायर, दिस इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ 2 स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. क्लियर? सो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको इस तरह से लिखेंगे 2 into this becomes 5y plus 7, 5y minus 7. Clear हो गया? So student, now this is a factorization of 50y square minus 98 is equal to, you can write 2 into 5y plus 7 into 5y minus 7. Clear? So we can write here now our question is 39y power 3 into 50y square minus 98 divided by 26 y square into 5y plus 7. This is our question. Okay, so student, you can see here 39, you can write 3 into 13, y square you can write y into y square. Clear? Into 50 y square minus 98, we factorize it and we obtain 2 into y plus 7, 5y plus 7 and a 5y minus 7. So we write here also 2 here, so first we write 2 into 5y plus 7 into 5y minus 7. Clear? And divide by 26.2 into 13 into y square into 5y plus 7. Clear? So 5y plus 7, 5y 7 is cancelled. Okay. Now 13 cancelled. Y square, you can see here y square cancelled, and these two cancel that too. Okay. So we obtain your required answer is here only 3y into 5y minus 7. 3y into 5y minus 7. This is your answer. Clear? Next one, let's see again on this question. This is 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 divided by 26 y square 5y plus 7. Okay. So first we write this form, and after this we find the factorization. So first write the factorization of 50y square minus 98. So you can write 52 into 25 y square, and 98 you can write 2 into 49. Okay. So you take common 2 from both terms. We obtain 25 is 2 into 25 y square minus 49. Okay. So we can write it 25. 5 is square of 25, so you can write it 5 whole square of 5y, and 7 square is 49, so you can write whole square of 7. Okay. So you can see here this is a difference of 2 square. Okay. So according to this identity, third identity, okay, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So we can write these terms is 2 into y 5y plus 7 into 5y minus 7. Here minus. Okay. Clear? So now we obtain 50y square minus 98 is equal to 2 into 5y plus 7 into 5y minus 7. Clear? After this, you can see here this is our given questions. So we can write 39y power 3 is 3 into 13. This is 39. Y is power 3. You can write y into y square. Okay. And here 50y square minus 98. You can write 2 into 5y plus 7, 5y minus 7. Okay. So 26 becomes, this is 26, it becomes 2 into 13 into y square, and this is a 5y plus 7. Okay. So 2 cancelled, 13 cancelled, y square cancelled, and a 5y plus 7 also cancelled. So we obtain 3 into y into 5y minus 7. This is clear? Okay. So student, I hope all of you understood. Only recognize which identity are you can use the given problems. Okay. So you can solve. So student, I hope all of you understood. Let's see next part of this question. One part we left, so maybe this is the fifth part. So now we are going to solve fifth part of question number 5. So student, I hope all of you no problem in this question. This is your whole solution. Student, this is the next part. 44 x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x square divided by 11x minus into 8 minus x minus 8. Okay, so first we can write like this. The solution of this is x power 4 minus 5 x power 3 minus 24 x square bracket closed divided by 11x into x minus 8. Clear? So first we factorize it, after this we divide it. Okay, so here you can write x power 4 minus 5x power 3 minus 24x square. Clear? So we take common here. X square you can see in each terms. Here x power 4 means x power 2 into x power 2. You can write here x power 2 into x power 2 minus x power 3 means 5 into x into x power 2 minus 24x square means 24 into x square. Clear? So student, you can see here x square is common between them, so you can take common x square, and then we obtained here, if you take common x square, so we obtain here x square minus 5x minus 24. Okay, now factorize x square minus 5x minus 24. So how can we factorize it? First we see the constant term. What is the constant terms? You can see constant term is 24. Okay, so constant term is 24, and sign of constant term is minus. Okay, good. Sign of constant term is minus, and the coefficient of x is 5. Okay, so constant term is 24, and sign of constant term is minus, and the coefficient of x is 5. So we factorize 24 such as 24 is 3 4 ja 3 8 ja 24. Okay, clear? And there is such as we factorize 24 such as their difference 3 4 8 ja 24. Difference of this factor is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. We know also the factor of 24 is 6 4 ja 24, but their difference is not 5. Okay, this is 2. So this is, we don't take this factor, we take this factor. Clear? You can see here the factor of 24 is 3 into 8. Their difference is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. This is the coefficient of x. Okay, why you differentiate? Because that साइन ऑफ कांस्टेंट टर्म इज माइनस. ओके, हम कांस्टेंट टर्म्स के साइन के अकॉर्डिंग ही करते हैं. अगर यहाँ पे प्लस होता तो हम यहाँ पे प्लस करते हैं और इसको 5 लाते हैं. ओके, बट यहाँ पे क्या है, माइनस है, तो हम इसका डिफरेंस करेंगे, और डिफरेंस जब 5 मिलेगा इसका, तभी हम जानेंगे कि ये हमारा फैक्टराइजेशन राइट है. सो वी रिप्लेस 5 इज 8 minus 3. Okay, so here we can write x square in bracket x square minus 5x becomes 8 minus 3 into x minus 24. Clear? So x square here you can write as it is into x square minus open this break, first we multiply by x 8 and 3. So here 8x minus 3x minus 24. Clear? Now the next term is x square into x square minus, open this bracket, this become 8x, this minus and this minus become plus when you open the bracket. This is plus 3x minus 24. Clear? So student, here we grouping it, x square minus 8x in one group plus 3x minus 24 is another group. Okay. So here you can see what is the common between them. X square into, what is common here? You can see here is a x common. So x into x minus 8, and the plus 3 is common here. So 3 into, if it common, take 3 here. So here it becomes x minus 8 3 are 24. Here I obtain 8. Clear? So in this way you can see here this is two terms. The common between two terms is x minus 8. So you can take common x minus 8. So this is equal to x square into x minus 8, and here x plus 3. X plus 3. This is a factors of x power 4 minus x minus 5x cube minus 4 24x square. So we obtain the factorization of the given expression is x square into x minus 8 plus x3. Okay. So here you can write this x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x square is equal to x square minus 8x x square minus x minus 8 into x plus 3. Okay, this is our factorization of these expressions. So now we return our question. Our question here, (44) into x power 4 minus 5 x power 3 minus 24 x square divided by 11x into x minus 8. But here you can see factorize it, x power 4 minus 5x power 3 minus 24x square, and this is equal to, first we can write 44 is 11 into 4. Oh, this is 44. Clear? And the factorization of x square, so you can write x square is x into x into x पावर 4 माइनस 5x क्यूब, ये हो जाएगा आपका, हमने यहाँ पे सॉल्व किया इसको. सो इट बिकम x माइनस 8 इंटू x प्लस 3. ओके, and divide by, we can write here 11 into x into x minus 8. So 11 into 11 cancel हो जाएगा. You can see both are common. This x is also cancelled. Clear? And x minus 8 also cancelled. So what you left here? See, here we left 4 into x into x plus 3. So we can write it 4x into x plus 3. This is a required result of this question. Okay, student, you can see the whole solution of this question. This is given 44 into x power 4 minus 5y cube minus 24 x square divided by 11x into x minus 8. So first we factorize x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x square. So we obtain the factorization of this expression is x square minus 8x into x plus 3. We obtain the factorization x square into 8 minus x square into x minus 8 into x plus 3. Okay, and put the value up here. So we obtain the result is 4x plus 4 into x plus 3. So student, I hope all of you understood, and thank you for watching. Jai Hind.